Page 16, the Kangarooster. This page is just a review of the stuff you've covered so far, so this is just kind of a nice thing. I don't have a lot to say on it. You see at the beginning, there's one sharp in the key signature, the F sharp, so this is in the key of G major. Again, if you haven't, please go do my scale video on G major, the beginner part. Also, I recommend you do the scale video on C major, because the first few pieces in this book were in C major. The melody's in the right hand, here, and by the way, you're in G position here. Right. So far, we're still sticking with the 5-finger position for a while. Enjoy it while it lasts. So, in the melody is in the right hand. Meanwhile, the left hand is just playing these notes to reinforce and support the melody. Type thing. Not too bad, I hope. It's in 4/4 time, so we're going to be counting to 4. Remember, a quarter note gets a count, half note gets 2 counts, whole note gets 4 counts. Everybody's happy. Now, at the beginning of this, at the top, above the staff, you see the word andante. Andante, if you go look it up, it sort of means a nice walking pace. It's not fast, it's not slow, it's just kind of a comfortable pace. So you decide what that is. It's up to you. And if you're going to sing it, you can decide how fast you want to sing it. They give you metronome markings. It's a range. Again, that's up to you. I think the 104 is a bit fast for andante. That's just my opinion, but whatever. You decide what it is. Even though they call this page a review, they are introducing something new. They are tricky. Gotta watch them. You already know, I hope, that when notes are right above each other, you're going to play them at the same time in the music. Take right at the beginning of this. You have that D in the right hand. And in the left hand, you have that B here, and they're right above each other, right? Or below each other, or they're this way. Yeah. You play them at the same time. And you'll see that throughout music. It's really handy sometimes, because it can get tricky as to what notes being played when, but you can almost, in most cases, you can line them up, and you'll know which notes in each hand are being played at the same time. Keep that in mind. Because if you look at the last measure here, in the left hand you have 2 notes, not one. This is the first time we've had more than one note in a hand, in the same hand. So in the left hand you have this note, G, and a D. And they're on top of each other. They're vertical is what we call it. They play them at the same time. Well, when you are playing multiple notes like this, you put your hand in the position of the notes. For instance, I'm using little finger and thumb. I go put my hand in that position, and then I'm going to just drop the whole hand. I'm not going to hold the hand still and try and use the fingers to push the notes down. That doesn't work. That can work with one note at a time, but it doesn't work when you have multiple notes. You put your hand in that position, you drop the whole hand. So in this last measure in the left hand, I'm put my hand in that position. It's already in that position, but the thumb and the little finger are the ones that the other finger's got to raise up out of the way. And then I'm dropping the hand. So I play both of those at the same time, and that's the tricky part. You got to listen. Did you really get them at the same time, or was it a little off? That's not. No, it's got to be together. If you put your hand there and drop it, they're usually together. Then on top of that, play the B in the right hand. You got 3 notes going. Isn't that fun? Yay. Okay. I just need you to understand that the technique for playing multiple notes at a time in one hand, drop the hand down. So let's play it together. I'll give us 4 counts. Go ahead and put your hands in G position. 1, 2, ready, go. Two, three, 4. 2, 3, 4.